Next, we will discuss the attributes of distributions that will allow us to identify the most common ones and classify the rest. Regardless of a method used to summarize the data, all visual summaries for the same dataset will have one thing in common. What is it? The correct answer is the shape. The shape is one of the main characteristics of the distribution of a dataset. Here are some examples of shapes that appear in statistics. Some shapes are more common than others. If it is not one of the common shapes, then we use the following classification. Based on whether there is an axis of symmetry, the shape can be classified as symmetric or asymmetric. Some asymmetric shapes can be classified as skewed left or skewed right. Based on the number of peaks, the shape can be classified as unimodal, bimodal, or multimodal. The most common distribution shape is bell-curved, also known as a normal shape. Many things measured in nature, such as heights, weights, lengths, widths, have normal distribution. Do not interpret a minuscule deviation from normal as skewed. In order to be skewed, the tail must be much longer on one side than the other. For that reason, we would classify the histogram here as normal rather than skewed, left or right. Also note that the shape is described by a curve that roughly goes above the frequency bars without following it too closely. For instance, we wouldn't describe the histogram here as multimodal because there appears to be more than one peak. We discussed a variety of different shapes of distributions and the language associated with describing them.